Hello everyone, welcome to Module 6, Lesson 3 of Mastering Ethereum. A smart contract is like a vending machine. You put in your money, select your product, and the machine dispenses your item if the conditions are met. The DAO or Decentralized Autonomous Organization was a pioneering example aiming to create a decentralized venture capital fund with communal decision making. Smart contract auditing is the process of systematically reviewing and analyzing the code of smart contract to identify vulnerabilities, security flaws, and potential bugs before the contract is deployed on the blockchain. This process is crucial because smart contracts often handle significant amounts of value, and once deployed, their code is immutable and cannot be easily altered. Let's get to know more about auditing smart contracts through this presentation. So let's see why auditing smart contracts is necessary. Auditing smart contracts is crucial for ensuring the security and reliability. A thorough audit helps to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities, ensuring that contract functions as intended and is free from malicious code. This is essential for preventing financial losses and maintaining the integrity of blockchain ecosystem. Smart contract auditing is like home inspection before buying a house. Just as a home inspector thoroughly examines the house for structural integrity, electrical safety, plumbing issues, and other potential problems, smart contract auditors meticulously review the code to identify security vulnerabilities, bugs, and inefficiencies. The inspector uses both visual inspections and specialized tools, similar to how auditors use manual reviews and automated analysis tools. By the end of inspection, you receive a detailed report highlighting any issues and recommended fixes, ensuring that the house or smart contract is safe, reliable, and ready to use. Let us now look into different types of audits. The first one is manual code review. This is a crucial step in smart contract auditing. It involves a line by line examination of the contract code by experienced auditors. They analyze the code for potential vulnerabilities, logic and errors, and potential security risks. This method is effective for identifying complex issues that may not be detected by automated tools. Automated tools play a significant role in smart contract auditing. They use static analysis techniques to scan the code for known vulnerabilities and security patterns. These tools are efficient in identifying common weaknesses and can quickly analyze large amounts of code. However, they may miss more complex or nuanced issues that require human expertise. Formal verification is a rigorous approach to auditing smart contracts. It involves using mathematical techniques to prove the correctness and security of the code. This method provides the highest level of assurance and can detect even the most subtle vulnerabilities. However, it is complex and time-consuming process that requires specialized expertise. Now let's look into detail in all of these types. Manual code review entails a meticulous examination of the smart contract code by experienced auditors. The process involves auditors scrutinizing the contract source code line by line, analyzing its logic, structure, and functionality. The goal is to identify potential vulnerabilities, bugs, or unintended consequences that may exist within the code. This process is akin to a detective going through evidence at crime scene. Just as detective seeks to uncover hidden clues, auditors aim to uncover hidden vulnerabilities in the code. Automated analysis employs specialized tools that use static analysis techniques to scan the code for known vulnerabilities and security patterns. These tools run automated tests on the code without actually executing it, which helps in identifying common risks efficiently. While automated analysis is efficient and can quickly analyze large amounts of code, it is constrained by predefined rules and patterns and may miss more nuanced vulnerabilities. Automated analysis tools act like automated security scanners scanning for vulnerabilities in a digital system, quickly flagging common issues for further inspection. Formal verification involves the use of mathematical techniques to prove the correctness and security of the smart contracts code. Developers define the expected behavior of the contract in a formal language and then use automated tools to verify that the code adheres to these specifications. This method offers a high level of assurance in detecting even subtle vulnerabilities that may be missed by other auditing methods. Formal verification is comparable to using a high-powered microscope to deeply analyze intricate details. Just as microscope reveals minuscule details invisible to the naked eye, formal verification unveils subtle vulnerabilities in the code. The phases of smart contract audit provide a structured approach to examining smart contract code for vulnerabilities and ensuring its reliability. Let's dive into each phase. The phases are divided into five phases, the first one being planning phase, the second being analysis phase, the third being reporting phase, the fourth is remediation phase, and the fifth is verification phase. Let's look into them one by one. The foundation of a successful smart contract audit lies in the planning phase, where the scope is defined, critical components are identified, and specific objectives and expectations are set. This phase involves understanding the purpose and functionality of the smart contract. It requires a deep dive into its code, identifying its key features, and assessing its interactions with other systems or protocols. Just as a successful architectural project begins with meticulous planning, including defined objectives and clear expectations, a smart contract audit lays the groundwork for a thorough assessment by clearly defining the goals and scope of the audit. The second phase, which is the analysis phase, involves a deep examination of the smart contract code using various techniques such as manual code review, automated analysis, and formal verification. This phase is where auditors delve into the code using various tools and techniques to identify potential vulnerabilities. It often involves a combination of manual code review and automated analysis, ensuring a comprehensive assessment. Similar to a forensic investigation, where professionals meticulously examine evidence using a variety of tools and methods to uncover any potential weaknesses or vulnerabilities. The analysis phase is a rigorous process aimed at thoroughly assessing the smart contract. The reporting phase involves summarizing the audit findings in a clear and concise document. It includes a detailed list of identified vulnerabilities, their severity, and potential impact on the smart contract. This critical step involves creating a comprehensive overview of the vulnerabilities, providing guidance for remediation, and documenting the audit process. The report acts as a valuable resource for the development team, highlighting areas that require improvement. Just as a detailed report provides a clear picture of project findings, their implications, and necessary action items in a business context, the audit report serves as a crucial resource offering insights into vulnerabilities and guiding the remediation process. The remediation phase involves addressing the vulnerabilities identified during analysis phase. It requires collaboration between auditors and developers to ensure that the identified issues are resolved effectively. The process involves prioritizing vulnerabilities based on their severity and addressing critical issues first to mitigate potential financial losses and ensure the contract functionality. Analogous to conducting repairs in a building after a thorough inspection, the remediation phase focuses on actively addressing issues to enhance the security and integrity of the smart contract. The verification phase reassesses the smart contract after remediation to confirm that the vulnerabilities have been effectively addressed and to identify any potential new issues. The auditors meticulously re-audit the contract, ensuring that all identified vulnerabilities have been resolved and addressing any potential new issue that could have arisen. Akin to a rigorous quality assurance process, ensuring that the fixes implemented are effective and that no new vulnerabilities are introduced, the verification phase is crucial for maintaining the security and reliability of the smart contract. These phases provide a systematic and comprehensive approach to smart contract auditing, ensuring that potential vulnerabilities are effectively identified, documented, addressed, and verified, ultimately enhancing the overall security and reliability of the smart contract. Auditing tools are like an assortment of diagnostic devices at a mechanic's workshop. Each tool serves a unique function. Here are some examples of tools for smart contract auditing. These include Mithex, Slither, Oyente, Echidna. These tools work together to provide a comprehensive assessment. Some are like scanners that look for surface level issues, while others are more in depth, revealing subtler vulnerabilities. We will dig deeper into function of each tool in the next lesson. Best practices for auditing smart contracts play a crucial role in ensuring the security and reliability of decentralized applications. Let's look into some of these practices. Regular auditing smart contracts is essential for maintaining security. Periodic audits help identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. This practice can be likened to regular health checkups, where every detection of potential issues allows for timely intervention and prevention of serious health problems. Utilizing a combination of static and dynamic analysis tools provides a comprehensive assessment of smart contract security. Each tool offers a unique perspective revealing vulnerabilities that others might miss. By using multiple tools, a wider range of vulnerabilities can be identified, leading to a more robust and comprehensive auditing process. This is similar to seeking opinions from different experts for a comprehensive assessment. Leveraging multiple tools offers diverse insights that collectively enhance the overall security evaluation. Continuous monitoring of smart contracts is essential for detecting vulnerabilities that may arise over time. This practice ensures ongoing vigilance, allowing for timely identification and mitigation of new vulnerabilities, thereby maintaining the resilience of the smart contract against evolving threats. It's akin to having a security system that is always alert, helping to identify and address potential threats before they lead to adverse outcomes. Each best practice contributes to overall effectiveness of smart contract auditing, aiming to identify and remedy vulnerabilities, promote ongoing security enhancements, and maintain trust and confidence in decentralized applications. Let's look into some common vulnerabilities that are detected during smart contract audits. These play a crucial role in understanding potential risks and ensuring the security and integrity of decentralized applications. Re-entrancy vulnerabilities occur when a smart contract allows a malicious function to be called multiple times during the same transaction. This vulnerability can lead to unexpected behavior, enabling attackers to repeatedly call a function within the contract and potentially drain its funds. It's akin to a financial transaction being manipulated to allow multiple unauthorized withdrawals, leading to significant financial loss. Integer overflow and underflow vulnerabilities arise when a mathematical operation results in a value that exceeds the maximum or minimum value that the integer data type can represent. This vulnerability can lead to unexpected results, potentially allowing attackers to manipulate calculations and disrupt the intended functionality of the contract. Access control vulnerabilities occur when the smart contract does not adequately restrict who can perform certain actions, potentially leading to unauthorized access to funds, sensitive data, or contract functionality. Such vulnerabilities can compromise the security and confidentiality of the contract, allowing unauthorized entities to access and manipulate critical functions. It's similar to unauthorized individuals gaining access to secure areas in a building, potentially leading to misuse or theft of sensitive information. Unchecked call return values can lead to vulnerabilities when a function call fails, but the contract does not handle the failure properly, potentially resulting in unexpected behavior, logic errors, and security breaches. This vulnerability can introduce unpredictability and potential security breaches into the contract's functionality, undermining its reliability and security. It's akin to a system failing to properly respond to errors or exceptions, leading to unexpected, potentially harmful consequences. Understanding and addressing these common vulnerabilities through thorough auditing and robust security measures is essential for maintaining the safety, reliability, and trustworthiness of smart contracts in the blockchain ecosystem. The case study of DAO hack serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of thorough smart contract auditing and robust security measures. In 2016, the DAO was introduced as a pioneering project aiming to create decentralized community-owned venture capital fund. Its smart contracts were designed to enable users to contribute Ether, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum blockchain, and participate in the decision-making process for investment proposals. However, a critical vulnerability in the DAO smart contract was exploited by hackers. The vulnerability allowed them to recursively call a specific function within the contract, effectively draining a significant portion of its funds. This exploit resulted in the loss of millions of dollars worth of Ethereum and exposed the vulnerabilities present in the smart contracts code. The hack had far reaching consequences, drawing attention to the essential need for rigorous security measures in smart contract development. The exploit not only resulted in financial losses but also led to significant impact on the Ethereum ecosystem and community trust. In response to the hack, the Ethereum blockchain underwent a hard fork, resulting in the creation of Ethereum Classic, a separate blockchain that aimed to reverse the effects of the hack. This event highlighted the complexity of addressing security breaches in decentralized environment and underscored the importance of preventive security measures. Let's look into some steps to prepare for an audit. A well-organized and documented code base makes the audit process smoother. It allows auditors to easily understand the contract's logic and identify potential issues. Think of your smart contract code as a research paper. If it is clear and well organized and properly annotated, it's easier for auditors to understand the pro and provide constructive feedback. Before engaging an external auditor, conducting internal self audits can help identify and address simple vulnerabilities. It saves time and resource for external audit process. Just like practice exams help you prepare for real tests, conducting internal self audits can reveal and address simple issues before an external auditor reviews your code. Detailed documentation plays a significant role in a successful audit. It provides auditors with valuable context and background information, enhancing their understanding of the contract's purpose, functionality, and intended use. Detailed documentation is like providing a map to a treasure hunt. It gives auditors context about your smart contract is supposed to do and making it easier to identify whether it operates as intended. When working with auditors during smart contract auditing process, clear communication, responsiveness, and effective collaboration are key to ensuring a comprehensive and successful audit. Open and frequent communication with the auditors is of paramount importance. Discussing the scope of the audit, establishing clear timelines, and defining expectations help create a structured and efficient audit process. Promptly addressing auditors' inquiries and providing all necessary information greatly streamlines the audit process. This ensures that auditors have the required context and material to conduct a thorough assessment without unnecessary delays. After the audit, addressing the identified vulnerabilities and implementing suggested fixes promptly is crucial. This demonstrates a commitment to addressing security concerns and helps in maintaining the reliability and integrity of the smart contract. Effective collaboration with auditors ensures that potential vulnerabilities are identified and addressed. It helps in streamlining auditing process and contributes to the overall security and trustworthiness of the smart contracts. Smart contracts are not static. They can be updated, modified, or even migrated to a new blockchain. Regular audits ensure that changes don't introduce new vulnerabilities. Consider smart contracts like a plant that needs regular watering and sunlight. Regular audits are like periodic checks to ensure the plant is healthy and growing without any issues. It's essential to monitor deployed smart contracts for any suspicious activity. This involves tracking transactions, analyzing code changes, and staying informed about potential threats. Continuous monitoring is like a security system in your home, keeping an eye out for suspicious activity and potential breaches. The security landscape for smart contracts is constantly evolving. Staying informed about newly discovered vulnerabilities, best practices, and emerging security trends is crucial for maintaining the security of your smart contract. In conclusion, we have now a comprehensive insight into smart contract auditing, covering crucial aspects such as the importance of regular audits, working with auditors, common vulnerabilities, case studies, and the phases of auditing process. The information underscores the significance of rigorous security measures in smart contract development. In the next module, we will delve into auditing tools and its usage. Thank you for this opportunity to explore this important topic with me. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to ask on our Discord servers.